two. It's job, finding a job, and your family. If your family doesn't embrace you, your wife, for example, myself, your wife, your children, your community, your neighbors, your ex-boss, sisebenza before siboshwe. Manje umlungu wakho uthini mawubuye usakuthemba na the level of trust iyehla. Kuba buhlungu, kuba nzima ukuqala uba convince.
NICRO's role is limited to compiling the Giving Hope project online database and making it available to prospective employers. Employers are also given the opportunity to be in contact with NICRO for support and advice in dealing with ex-offenders. Zinhle Ntlantla, Soweto TV News, Johannesburg.
According to the South African Depression and Anxiety Group, 1 in 3 South Africans has mental health problems, SADAG amongst black South Africans. Although Mental Health Day has come and gone, the organization says the struggle to create positive attitudes around mental health continues.
More than 17 million people in the country are said to be dealing with mental health issues, including depression, bipolar, anxiety, and substance abuse. Local experts have confirmed that mental health remains a major challenge in Mzansi. The South African Depression and Anxiety Group is holding a week-long summit in an effort to educate and make people aware of mental illness. SADAG also wants to reduce the stigma and discrimination often experienced by people with mental disorders.
Mental health problem is absolutely huge in our country, absolutely. And the bigger problem is not that a number of people who have mental illness, is that there are actually far too few for the number of people who have conditions.
Kanyangwenya, who suffered from social anxiety, says joining SADAG assisted him in overcoming the disorder. Social anxiety is an illness a lot of people experience. It is the fear of interaction with other people that brings on self-consciousness, feelings of being negatively judged and evaluated, and as a result leads to withdrawal.
Social anxiety is a condition where someone has got an irrational fear of certain social situations where they are the center of attention. It's basically like an irrational fear because it's a fear that really, like, in a way, does not really make sense. Yeah. But so what society should know is that the people with this condition should be understood. The society needs to have empathy for them, because someone who suffers from cancer, someone that has diabetes, those medical conditions are taken more seriously in society. So people need to know that if someone has any mental health problem, whether it's depression or anxiety, they also have a medical condition.
According to SADAG, 1 in 3 South Africans has mental health problems, and the organization is strongly calling on people to seek help should they suspect that they or their loved ones could be suffering from a mental disorder. Zinhle Ntlantla, Soweto TV News, Johannesburg.
5 people have been arrested in connection with the shooting of ANC MP Jackson Mthembu. The 5, who are all said to be in their 20s, were arrested on Wednesday at an informal settlement in Mpumalanga. Their arrest comes a week after 5 other suspects appeared in the Witbank Magistrates Court last week Friday in connection with the same incident. Mthembu will take another ad break. When we return, Minister in the Presidency Jeff Radebe is set to lead a delegation to Nigeria, and 140 South African police to be deployed to Lesotho. All that and more when we come back.
Think of life without music, silence the whole day long. Here's the don't feel rhythm.